All right, everybody, welcome back. We are going to be making some fajitas today, and we're going to be making that in the pizza oven by HPC Fire. So over here, we have a nice piece of flank steak. We have some onion and some peppers. We're going to cut those up, and we got a nice little lime, and then we're going to put a little bit of this avocado right on the fajitas. And to finalize it, we're actually going to make the tortillas right on the hearth of the oven. See you soon. All right, so now we're just kind of cutting up these bell peppers here, getting it prepped. Come with me. So right now we're heating up pan. You can look underneath here. We kind of cradled with some wood. We're gonna get that nice and hot. We'll throw some olive oil, and then we'll be putting the steak right on top of that. Lots of garlic. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, here we go. It's good. Oh yeah, nicely done. Looking good, looking good. All right, we're gonna bring this over here. And our flake steak is done. Okay, I'll put this over here. A little bit of olive oil. All right, here we go. We are back. Cutting perpendicular to the striation of the muscle. Wow, look at that, it's beautiful, perfectly cooked. All right, everybody, here we go. We are back. We're gonna warm up our tortillas right on the hearth of the oven. Come and check this out. Not very long. Not very long. All right, good deal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready. All right, nice and hot. Okay, so now we are going to plate this nice, beautiful fajita. And we're gonna grab some of this here. And we're gonna plate that just like that. Just like that. We're gonna grab some of these right here. And to finalize it, we're just gonna squirt a little bit of this. And at last, we have to try it. Delicious. Everything perfectly cooked. The flavor of the steak and the peppers, delicious. Bon appetit.